Hey everybody. As you see, I've got a little rolling seat. I've got my tripod set up. I've got my Hitachi drill that's probably 20 years old at least. And I've got this kit I'm going to use to kind of get some scratches out of the Lincoln Nautilus. We'll see if we have any success with that. Now, on the Nautilus, my wife came out of Target and had a couple of scratches. Now, these could just be clear coat scratches, okay? We don't really know yet. But this kit will get in there and buff those. And if they're clear coat scratches, it'll be able to take them out. All right. So stay tuned. We're going to get a great video going. So you're going to see scratches. We're going to work on scratches that are down here and up here. And then there's another one a little lower, but that's primarily what we're going to be focused on. So I want you to get a good look at those. I'm going to have to shift the camera so I can get in here and work, but you'll be able to watch me. Now the directions say to put an X pattern on the buffing pad, which I'm going to do. This is the material that comes in the kit, and this is the buffing pad already on the drill. Okay. Now we're going to put an X pattern, it says on here. So let's watch. Come on. Got a little X pattern on here. Okay. Now let's see if we can get this scratch out. Now, if it's too deep of a scratch, if it's all the way through the clear coat, it's not going to come out. But I'm going to try a couple of passes. That's what I'm going to go for. And we'll try that in both places. You don't want to put a lot of pressure on this. And quite honestly, I do not think it's going to come out. And that's not the fault of the product. It's the fault of the type of scratch that it is. Somebody was a little too aggressive with a sharpening cut. Some people don't care. That's what happens sometimes, right? It is what it is. We'll work this a little bit and see what happens. When I'm near somebody's car in a parking lot, I'm always careful. It's just the way I am. I am not putting a lot of pressure on this. Just hovering lightly. I'm letting the pad do the work. But I think you can still see, as I can, you can still see that scratch, the one I'm working on right now. And then we'll do the lower one, and then that's all we're going to do, because it's either going to be out or not out. I don't think it's going to be out. I do not think it's going to be out. That's all I can do at this point. Let me get my buffing cloth, and we'll see how much of that actually went away compared to the before and after. Now let's clean this off and see what we have. It's a lot lighter, but it's not completely gone. It is a lot less noticeable, that I will say, but it's not anywhere near perfect. So does the kit work? In my case here, I'm going to have to say a little bit. I have not used this kit yet when it's fully removed the scratches. But then again, they're just going to say, well, this is not a regular, that's not a clear coat scratch, that's a deeper scratch. And it's probably true. But you can see right through here, there's still some scratch left. Now down here, that scratch is definitely too deep. That's through the paint, obviously. It is what it is. And like right here, that scratch is kind of too deep too. I'm going to get a little wax and put a little wax on here and see if it's going to look any better. Well, if you're anything like me, I thought I knew where the wax was. I don't. But we're going to take a look right here. We're going to just wipe around, just clean up with another clean cloth. All right. I'm going to show you what I've been working with. And there were those scratches right here. I'm going over the scratch. Right there's a little bit left of it. You can see it. Right along here. It's a lot less noticeable than it was. A bunch of scratches down here. Those are less noticeable. So, what's your opinion on the product? I think it did the best it could for what it was working with. And that's all I can say for now. So, if you like the video, please like and subscribe. There's going to be a link to the tools I use to get to the point I'm at. But it is a lot less noticeable as far as I'm concerned. Thanks a lot. God bless, and I hope you have a great spring.